Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery Channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we're going to be presenting unbelievable modern vegetable harvesters that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing modern vegetable harvester. Let's kick things off with the Ropa Tiger 6 Beet Harvester, a powerhouse machine of 37 tons designed to revolutionize beet harvesting. It sports a 10-foot width to harvest efficiently and to minimize losses. At its heart lies a Volvo Penta D16 engine, boasting 700 horsepower and 984 cubic inches of displacement, guaranteeing robust performance. Its R-Balance chassis system is gentle on the soil, preserving its integrity. It adapts seamlessly to various field positions, equipped with fully hydraulic lifting units, available in 6, 8, or 9 rows. Plus, with a bunker capacity exceeding 30 tons and a triple-fold conveyor, setting up 10-meter wide clamps is a breeze. This harvester can cover acres of fields in a single sweep with its 49-foot length. At 13 feet high, it towers over the crops, ensuring ample clearance and easy maneuverability in the field. Now, the second marvel of expediency is the Homer Terra DOS T440 harvester. This dynamo is driven by a 6-cylinder, 952 cubic inch engine. It ensures robust performance in the fields by delivering an impressive 617 horsepower at 1700 RPM. A fuel tank capacity of 304 gallons makes it an uninterrupted harvester for long hours. The 12-inch Homer Easy Touch touchscreen puts control at your fingertips, making operation easy. It provides ample room for whatever you need with a length of 49 feet. Plus, don't worry about width limitations. It measures a convenient 10 feet wide. Reaching a height of 13 feet, this harvester creates an impressive and grand presence. Furthermore, it delivers stability, performance, and fuel efficiency like never before due to Homer EcoPower technology. Third on the list is the John Deere CH960 sugarcane harvester. This behemoth of 39 tons is designed to tackle the toughest of fields with ease. With a flexible row spacing from 6 feet to 6 feet, it adapts seamlessly to varying plantation layouts. It ensures smooth and powerful operation due to the 830 cubic inch PowerTech engine, which roars with a formidable 485 horsepower. The CH960 boasts a maximum hole topper reach of 14 feet, allowing for thorough harvesting. With a fuel capacity of 300 gallons, it keeps you going through long harvesting days without interruption. Plus, its controlled traffic feature matches tread-to-row spacing, minimizing soil compaction, while maximizing precision. In summary, the John Deere CH960 is the solution to effortless sugarcane harvesting. Subscribe to Mighty Machinery right now and don't miss out on our next video exploring even more incredible vegetable harvesters that redefine what's possible in the field. The next masterpiece is the Grimme Veritron 470 TerraTrack vegetable harvester. This 34-ton machine packs a punch with its 460 horsepower engine, ensuring maximum productivity. It offers unparalleled stability through rough terrains due to its rubber tracks. The 4-row self-propelled design, coupled with a wide range of separators, optimizes harvesting efficiency. With a 7-ton bunker featuring a rotating web, it ensures maximizing effective capacity. This harvester is like the limousine of the fields with its 51-foot length at 11 feet in width, and with row spacing meticulously set at 3 feet, this harvester ensures every plant gets its moment in the spotlight. This towering titan of 13 feet can work at a speed of 16 miles per hour. Moreover, a generous 159-gallon fuel tank keeps operations running smoothly from dawn to dusk. Thus, the Grimme Veritron 470 TerraTrack will be your seamless harvesting buddy. Now the spotlight is on the EKO Harvester, your ultimate solution for efficiently harvesting a variety of vegetables like leek, garlic, onion, fennel, radicchio, and celery. This machine is armed with 2 adjustable earth cutting discs, a blade for precise underground cutting, and 2 rear beaters for thorough earth cleaning. It swiftly tackles fields easily with a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. It maximizes productivity while minimizing effort by operating with a single row. This machine is ignited by an incredible engine, delivering up to 272 horsepower to handle tough harvesting tasks effortlessly. Compact yet mighty, this harvester measures 6 feet in length, 5 feet in height, and 6 feet in width. To put it in a word, you can say goodbye to tedious harvesting with the EKO Vegetable Harvester. Now we've got the DiPietri FR 148 Special, which showcases a John Deere 4-cylinder, 140 horsepower turbo stage 5 engine. Weighing in at 6 tons, it's built to handle heavy loads with ease. This industrial marvel is tailor-made for picking up fresh vegetables and aromatic herbs like parsley, basil, spinach, and more. It boasts a load weight of 4 tons to ensure efficient transportation of harvested produce. Furthermore, it facilitates easy unloading into storage or vehicles with a dumping lift height of 13 feet. Its working width ranges from 7 to 10 feet, ensuring thorough harvesting across fields of varying sizes. Plus, with a work speed of 24 miles per hour, the DiPietri FR 148 Special is designed to keep up with the demands of modern farming practices. Join the potato harvesting party with the Grimme SE 150/60 potato harvester. This spud-tacular machine boasts a 2-row design, ensuring you'll have appealing results while keeping performance high. It can handle potato piles taller than a mountain of mashed potatoes, with a bunker capacity of up to 8 tons. At 38 feet in length, this harvester is a sleek, elongated marvel of modern farming technology. With the width of 11 feet, this harvester navigates between rows like a precision instrument. It stands tall and mighty at 13 feet in height. Tipping the scales at 10 tons, it's as sturdy as Grandma's cast iron skillet, but as nimble as a potato rolling off the counter. Last but not least, the Grimme SE 150/60 potato harvester is the potato harvesting superhero with its powerful 127 horsepower engine. Now, rev up your energy for root crop harvesting with the ASA Lift TSP 275. This 5-ton beast is fueled by an 87 horsepower engine, perfect for tackling 2 rows of sweet potatoes and other sensitive root crops. Its hydraulically driven distribution rollers ensure precise crop handling, while the 2-foot-wide crop conveyor guarantees proficient transport. At 33 feet long, this harvester stretches out like a diligent worker, ready to cover vast stretches of farmland. With the width of 10 feet, this harvester navigates rows with precision. Reaching a towering height of 12 feet, this harvester commands the fields with impressive presence. Now that's a harvester you won't miss in a crowded field. So whether you're harvesting sweet potatoes or just admiring impressive dimensions, the ASA Lift TSP 275 has got you covered. The 9th spot is occupied by the leafy vegetable harvester, the Ortomec 8400 Electro. This self-propelled machine, in its Foglia version, is engineered for competent harvesting. Its stainless steel cutting system comes in 2 variations. One is Type A with 8-inch working height, and the second is Type B with 1 foot working height. Both are equipped with 2 pulleys. Control of cutting height is seamlessly managed by the Ortomec system of proportional electronic sensors. Controlled by a PLC board, it has a variable track from 5 to 7 feet, powered by 2 24-volt electric batteries to ensure continuous working in the fields. On top of that, the multifunction joystick and touchscreen display make operation intuitive. In conclusion, the Ortomec 8400 Electro guarantees expedient harvesting with a working speed of 4 miles per hour. And last on the list is the ASA Lift CM100C. This 2-ton tractor mounted top lifter is a game changer for competent root crop harvesting. Outfitted with an integrated box filling system, it's tailor-made for carrots, parsnips, and more. Its uplifting unit boasts a 27-foot pickup belt, ensuring thorough harvesting. The picking web, with a pitch of 1 inch and rubber-covered width of 2 feet, guarantees gentle handling of crops. Under the hood, it has a powerful 67 horsepower engine to deliver the muscle needed for seamless operation. With dimensions of 14 feet in length, 11 feet in width, and 9 feet in height, the ASA Lift CM100C, though compact, packs a punch, primed to conquer fields effortlessly. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of modern vegetable harvesters here at Mighty Machinery. From the high-tech features of the Grimme Veritron 470 TerraTrack to the impressive streamlining of the Holmer TerraDOS T440. These machines truly are in a league of their own. Don't forget to subscribe to Mighty Machinery for more mind-blowing content on the latest in agricultural technology. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore even more unbelievable machinery that's taking farming to new heights. Until next time, keep it mighty.